About polyester carpet. What if we told you that polyester carpet is making a comeback? Thanks to its durability and affordability, polyester is becoming an increasingly popular choice for flooring. Polyester is a type of synthetic fiber that's made from petroleum-based products. Because it's a synthetic fiber, it has better stain resistance and endurance than wool carpet, or other natural fibers. Although it is a more ecologically responsible alternative to nylon carpet, it may not be the ideal carpet for high-traffic areas in your home. How do you clean polyester carpet? It's important to vacuum regularly, and when vacuuming, be sure to use a vacuum with good suction. Additionally, you should spot clean any spills immediately. Be sure to dab the spot to absorb any liquids if possible, then apply a good cleaning product, and let it sit for a while before trying to reabsorb the cleaning product into a cloth. Use a clean, dry towel to blot the area. Scrubbing might damage your carpet pile. Instead, use new towels as needed until the spot is completely dry. If the discoloration is caused by semi-solids, carefully scoop up the solid with a spoon. If the stain is due to a genuine solid, break it up into tiny pieces before vacuuming it up. Besides the consistent routine cleaning and spot cleaning, the Carpet and Rug Institute recommends that you have your carpets professionally cleaned every 12 to 18 months. Does polyester carpet shed? All types of carpet shed, but polyester carpet sheds less than other types of carpet. However, if you have pets, you may find that your polyester carpet sheds more than usual, as the nails of a dog or cat can sometimes damage a carpet. Does polyester carpet show footprints? All types of carpet can show footprints depending on a few factors, such as if the carpet is wet, if you're walking on the carpet with wet shoes, etc. In general, polyester carpet shows footprints less than other types of carpet. However, if you have light-colored carpet, you may find that footprints are more visible than on dark carpet. How long do polyester carpets last? Polyester carpets are very durable, and can last for many years, anywhere from 5 years to 15 years, depending on how much it's walked on, and if it's cared for properly with proper routine cleaning as well as periodic professional carpet cleaning. The disadvantages of polyester carpet. Polyester carpet is not as stain resistant as other types of carpet. When a polyester carpet does get stained, it can be very difficult to clean. Try a professional stain removal service to help get those stubborn spots out of your carpet. If your polyester carpet gets matted, for example if it's under heavy furniture, its fibers often remain compressed, and they fail to spring back like nylon carpet does. This is often referred to as the resiliency of a carpet. This can be considered a downside of polyester carpet. Polyester carpet is not as durable as some other types of carpet, particularly nylon, so it may need to be replaced more often. Can you steam clean polyester carpet? You can steam clean polyester carpet. However, it's important to use a low heat setting, and avoid over-wetting the carpet. This is one reason why it's important to find a reliable carpet cleaning company, with expertise treating different types of carpet properly. How much does polyester carpet cost? Polyester carpet is very affordable, which is one of the reasons why it's so popular. Prices vary depending on the quality of the carpet, but you can expect to pay anywhere from $2 to $4 per square foot on the low end. Is polyester carpet good for pets? Polyester doesn't stand up to heavy use, as well as making it a good choice for homes with pets. However, polyester is not as stain resistant as other types of carpet, so it's important to clean up any accidents right away. Additionally, polyester carpet may shed more than other types of carpet, especially with pets' claws if they dig them into the carpet. Is polyester carpet good for stairs? The best type of carpet for stairs will vary depending on your specific needs and preferences. However, in one sense polyester carpet is a good option for stairs, because it is durable and can withstand a lot of wear and tear. If you have a polyester carpet that needs cleaning, contact us today to schedule an appointment. Go Carpet Cleaning offers comprehensive carpet cleaning services that will leave your polyester carpets looking and smelling fresh and new. Call us at 678-818-5698 for a free quote, or visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com.